Hey everyone! So today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I'm going to do a flip and drag, but I'm going to use more paint than usual. Only because it's black base and black has a tendency to eat up our color, so we're going to use a little extra paint. So I've got my little 5-ounce cup and I will spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray, just to release the paint from the cup. If you don't rub it in, you will get some very small cells from it, but that's not what we're looking for. We're just looking for enough cell action to create some wispiness with our painting. So I'm going to start with the Lucas Gold Bronze. And my stomach is growling. And then we're going to go with Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. And then Color Shift. Well, actually, let's go with the Golden Interference Violet next. And then the Deco Art Sterling Silver. And then we'll go in with the new Plum Flash from Color Shift. So I want about 1/3 of a cup of paint, and that's perfect. Definitely over my pinky finger rule. I'm going to give that just a little swirl. And we're going to pop it in the middle. So many people ask me why I pop my cup in the middle. I like to be able to shift my color around, and if I start at one end, I may end up with a pile and not enough paint for the other end. At least this way I can go back and grab from the middle and drag it through. So I need to pop that. When you put this on paint, you get suction, so you want to poke a hole in your cup to release the suction, because what you want to do is glide on top of that paint as much as possible. And I'm going to go back in because I kind of dropped a load right there when I stopped, and I shouldn't have stopped. And I think I want to bring some black into this part here. Oh, which way do I want to go? I think I'll come over this way. Okay, let me give this a quick torch, and then we're going to stretch. I can already see the interference playing well. I really want to stretch this out. So quiet today. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. And of course we will be airbrushing. Yeah, that's not moving. All right, so let's get to work. I just like to grab the ends, but when you are working with black, you really have to go in just a little bit farther to bring out more color. And with these being shifts and iridescent shades and hues, you have to really push out. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it's dry with all these flash and metallic. I'm just going to flip it around. I really love that spot, even though it kind of looks like it doesn't belong, but I really love it. And when you end up with a small spot like this where you don't have enough, you can always push out more. You can balance it with your airbrush. Just take a moment, step away and look at your composition and see what you want to do with it. Some people push every little piece out and you don't need to. Bronze is not behaving right there. I think I'm going to leave that right there. It looks like it's down this way farther, which is fine because you can hang it the opposite direction. I'm just going to pull some color down. Very slow moving, which is good. But it pulls the weight of the paint off of that edge now. But yeah, that's pretty. I can't wait to see this one dry. It's like Christmas morning. So this will continue to change a little bit. Because that's the iridescent, actually the interference violet with the sterling silver through there. So that's going to change quite a bit as it sits and starts to dry. But I really love this. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this color combo. I'm actually loving this. Check out our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. You don't have to be a painter to be a member. It's a great place to see everybody's work and ask questions and get them answered very quickly. Also check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook. And shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We do carry the airbrush in our shop. It's like 55 bucks. And look what you can do with that. You can do a lot more with this, actually. Check out Etsy for jewelry. We haven't got the snap jewelry listed yet. I'm running way behind on listing, I'm telling you. But if you see something that you like that we do on the channel, shoot me an email. Everything's for sale. If it's a commission piece, I always say it's a commission piece when I'm working on it. So we do sell a lot of paintings before they even get to Etsy. So if you want something, grab it. Our next auction will be probably the middle of July. when Kaylee is here. My granddaughter's coming to spend a couple of weeks with us, and she'll probably be painting with us Monday night on July 1st. So I think that's about it. If you want to donate to the channel, that PayPal link is below. Our sponsor giveaway is July 1st, so you still have a little bit of time. And if you want to send us a gadget for Mr. Allen to play with on Monday nights, the post office box address is below as well. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.